Hello, Unique family, and welcome back to the channel. Today, my husband is going to tackle my most neglected room in the house, which is our bedroom closet. But before we do that, we have to declutter every part of this house. So join us as we tackle our bedroom closet.
'Cause your heart's made of gold, but don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I get you some. Feel your body losing up the tension. Baby, did I mention I'll be here for you? And my body show you new dimensions. Baby, did I mention this is what I do? Let it go, lose control like you're on a ride. Let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. Give it up, never stop. Don't be scared of heights. Let me free your mind. 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 If you like what you see, come and get it with me. I know you deserve all the warmth. 'Cause your heart's made of gold, but don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I get you some. Feel your body losing up the tension. Baby, did I mention I'll be here for you? And my body show you new dimensions. Baby, did I mention this is what I do? Let it go, lose control like you're on a ride. Let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. Give it up, never stop. Don't be scared of heights. Let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. Let me free your Live it up, never stop, don't be scared of heights. Let me free your mind, let me free your mind. I saw your mama just the other day. She looked glad to see me again. Do you remember when I used to come over to your house every day? Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night. That will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another dusty photograph of us, without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted